In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Klarna on Shine. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Klarna on Shine or Shine, however you like to call it, is extremely simple. It is going to be available as one direct payment option as long as you are visiting the US website. So if you are not a resident of the United States or if you don't visit the Shine or Shane mobile app through the US application, you will not be able to do this. You either have to go to us.chain.com or, like I said, be a resident of the United States when you use their app. As long as you use the United States version of Shine, you will be able to find Klarna on the payment options. And all that you have to do to use Klarna is to browse through items and add them to your cart. So you can browse through any items available on the catalog, select the specific size, add the item to your cart, and then proceed to checkout. So hover over the cart icon, view cart, and you will be able to proceed to checkout. As you can see, immediately Klarna is available. We accept Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, and so on. And in the middle of all the payment options, you will find Klarna. They also have Affirm and Afterpay if you want more buy now, pay later options. But since the focus of this video is Klarna, this is what we're going to be looking into. When you proceed to checkout, you can set up your shipping address, and I'm just going to include some random things here so we can proceed to show you how this would look like. And once you include all of these details as needed, you will save the shipping address and then choose Klarna. Now you have to select Klarna from here and proceed with the order. You will be redirected to another page where you can either sign into the Klarna website, as you can clearly see here if you are doing this process on a computer, or alternatively, if you are using your phone, you will be redirected into the Klarna mobile app where you can also finish this purchase and choose the best installment plan for you. Unfortunately, I will not be able to show you this whole process on screen, but it is extremely simple. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna on Shine. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.